Welcome back to Pace Academy. Today we will continue with our chapter Relations and Functions. Okay, we will discuss today our main concept about functions. Okay, so first tell me what is meant by function? Functions. Tell me what is meant by function. Before that, tell me what is the machine actually? Machine is nothing but which performs some operations, right? So that means this board is a machine and this pen is a machine, yes, and your mobile, laptop, it is also a machine, right? And fan, light, those are also machines, right? So machine means it performs some operations. Suppose I am taking fan as a machine, okay? When we turn on the switch, the fan will rotate or not? That means we are giving electrical energy as an input to this fan. It gives what? Mechanical energy, right? That means whenever we are giving electrical energy and the fan performs mechanical energy, that means it rotates. It gives some speed, right? Nowadays we can see the fans along with lights also, right? In middle of the fan we have one light. Whenever we switch on the fan, whenever we turn on the switch, the fan will rotate and light also glow, right? Like that I am taking fan plus light, right? Whenever I am giving electrical energy to this fan plus light, what it gives? Both mechanical energy and light energy also there, right? So that means some machines may give for single input, they will give single output. But some machines, they may give for single input, they will give multiple outputs. Not only two, it may be more than 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. So that means the machine which gives single output for the single input. Okay. That machine is called single task machine. What it called? Single task machine. Okay, the machine which gives more than one output, that means multiple outputs for the single input, that machine is called multitask machine. Clear? Why I am discussing about these machines? Because function is nothing but a single task machine. Okay. That means whenever we are giving the single input to that function, it will give single output. That one is called a function. Okay, that machine is called what? Function. Function is nothing but what? A single task machine. Okay. Function means a single task machine. That means whenever we are giving a single input, it will give what? Single output. Clear? Okay, we will see one question here. Yeah. Here, consider f of x is equals to 2x plus 3 is there. Okay, I am taking one performance like this. Okay. Now, we can take x value anything for single values. I am taking x equals to 0. For that, what is the f of x value? Tell me. F of 0. That means 2 into 0 plus 3, which is nothing but 3. Clear? Then I am taking another value. X equals to some minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Now f of minus 1, how much? Tell me. 2 into minus 1 plus 3. Right? So that means minus 2 plus 3. 1. Right? I am taking another input x equals to some positive value 3 you can take. Okay? So f of 3 how much now? 2 into 3 plus 3 which is equals to 9. Right? So observe here, whenever I am giving the 0 as an input, what is the output here? 3. Right? That means for the input 0 we are getting only single output. Here also For f of minus 1, what we get here? 1. That means it is also single output. F of 3, 9. This is also single output. That means whenever I am taking different inputs, we are getting different outputs, right? Not same outputs.